Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to set up Google login for your Shopify store. So, the first thing that we should do here is to log into our Shopify store. And then after that, just simply click on this app option or the add option right here. All right, and then click on the Shopify App Store. And then using the search bar at the top, you can search for Google login or social login. Okay, I'm just going to search for Google login. Then you have here different results. So the first, the application that we are going to use is this one. Okay, so we have the tap it Google logged in, and then I just had to click on install after that. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so right here we have to click on the install option once again. Then after that, as you can see at the left side, we have successfully added the tap it or the Google logged in. So we have here our dashboard. So our current plan is the free trial. Then if you would like to upgrade your plan, you just have to click on the subscribe now option, and then right here you just have to choose your plan. So here we have the different features, so up to 1,000 sign-ups per month, basic email capture, standard support, age verification form, priority support, and more. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.